Hi everyone, this is Dani for Dani Tutorials. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this Mickey Mouse Cupcake Holder with the candle. Before we start the video, as always, please don't forget to subscribe so you can find me again, and press the bell button so you can get notifications on new videos. We have new videos on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, so come talk to me. So we're going to start with a ball, and I'm gonna flatten out to make a circle, and that's kind of pretty thick. It's kind of like 2 centimeters, probably like half an inch more, I guess, in the thickness. And I use the little cupcake paper to measure around to see if it's the size. One, if it's going to fit, and an acrylic ball just to mark the center, and then I will push down, make some edges. You can make that for a cupcake like I'm making, or smaller for any other type of little dessert, but I think the cupcake is perfect if you're just having a cupcake for a birthday. Then it comes with a candle and make everything special, even though it's just a cupcake. So it's pretty cute. We are going to be sure that the center is flat and the edge is going to be right there to hold the cupcake. And we're going to set this aside for a second to let it dry. And all the clay and material I have, there's a link down below in the description box for you guys. You can make with a bag of clay thousands of those, guys, and it's pretty cute. So now with the black, we're gonna make the legs, and we are going just to set aside for now. And the yellow for Mickey's shoes. I am making pretty big because he has gigantic hands and feet. So I like to always cut this off out of the videos to edit it and make it smaller. But I want to show you guys then always when you get a clay and you're going to make something, play around with the clay in your hand, because the warmth or your hand makes the clay softer, it's smoother and things like that. So every time then you get a piece of clay, as you can see, I go like kneading bread in the air, just go around a little bit like this so you can agitate the clay a little bit and make it warmer. I always think that it looks better and is more pliable this way, so I wanted to leave my editing for you guys to see that I do that. So it's okay, it's not just plug and play sometimes. And then I'm gonna do it again because I placed it down, and we're gonna make a teardrop shape. Try to make it then both the same. So if you measure and you see then is a little bit more, just cut it off, and then we're gonna have 2 of them. And I'm just pushing it down with my finger where is the back of the shoes, so I know how big the ball I need for the center on the back. So we're gonna get a little bit more of yellow and fulfill that little hole right there. I just wanted to know the size, so I like to mark to give a little of the effect on the outside of the shoe, even though we're not putting anything inside, but it looks more like it when you push it down the center. So that's what we're gonna do, and make 2 little balls, try make them the same size and place on top. Just like that. I'm just being sure then everything is smooth and round. So now I am just going to make the hole, pushing it out gently with the ball tool. We are going to bend one of the legs. That's how I want to put him sit, the leg, but you can put it straight, open, up, whatever. I just like to bend. I think it looks cute, and I normally bend the second one kind of in the side. So I am going to bend the black, put in the center of the shoe, and kind of place a little bit on the side. And now we're gonna open a little red and cut in half because we need 2 parts for the rest of the shorts after we place the legs. I will place where I wanted it to be. You can use a little bit of glue, a little bit of water, and then I will place the red around it. The same thing, the other side. Just like that. And now I'm making 2 little balls. We're going to make them a little bit more oval and flatten out for the little Mickey buttons. I am placing the buttons on the center where the cupcake is going to be. So the only tip here is to make them flat with the red because you don't want your cupcake to be unbalanced on top of it. Just like that. And now we're gonna make his little hands. You start with a teardrop shape, flat and out on the table a little bit. I like to squish the bottom and cut it to the end of the glove. Squish it together a little bit, and then we are going to make a V. Cut it, the excess for the little thumb off, and as always, Mickey just have 4 fingers. And I'm just trying to make everything smooth and rounded. Cut the other fingers, separate them, and make everything round. And now I am going to curl his fingers up, like fold it, like he is holding something in your hand, like you're holding a baseball ball on your hand. So that's how I like to place Mickey in his hand when I make these little holders. And then that just make a little ball for the end of the glove. And then we're going to just smooth the edges and see if the back is well smooth and lined up, because we never know. Of course, the back of the hand is going to be to the bottom, but you need to worry about that side as well. We mark the lines to be sure that they're going to be seen, and on the top as well. Place on the position you want, and I am placing a little candle with the holder, the little reusable holder. So I will do that until I don't see that little base anymore. I am bending the arm. I made the arm the same way that I made the leg, just roll over and make a roll, and I'm placing the glove. If you want to make it up, you can do that also. Just put something, a toothpick or something that is gonna hold that up. But I am going just to place on the side of the body, or the body holder. So I like to place right there. And it's done, guys. It's super easy, super cute. It's so much nicer to give a cupcake to somebody on top of this with the candle. It makes so special. It makes such a good impression. We always say then that package is important for the gift too, right guys? And it's super cute. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to check it out, the other tutorials. There's tons of Mickey tutorials on my channel. And if you want to buy one of those holders, I have my Etsy store link down below as well. You can find those to buy and to use for your party. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe so you can find me again and catch up on other tutorials. And I talk to you guys soon on my next video. Bye.